In order to build a successful email marketing campaign within Boingnet, the first step is to create an engaging email template. As more people are checking their emails on mobile devices, it's becoming increasingly important that the emails you send are responsive, meaning that they are easy to view on any device. Let me show you what I mean by responsive. A template that's not responsive will display fine on a desktop, but will be very truncated on a phone. However, a template that is responsive looks great, whether it's displayed on a desktop, a tablet, or a phone. Boignet's email template editor builds responsive emails that are web, tablet, and mobile friendly in just one simple step. Our editor's new design features let you easily customize your content for different segments of your audience, as well as modify your templates and designs with more creativity and freedom than ever before. In this video, I'll show you the 3 simple steps to creating an engaging email template, including how to choose your email layout. Next, I'll show you how to use the template editor to build the content of your email, including inserting responsive template blocks and inserting customized link buttons. Finally, I'll show you how to use variable data and logic to personalize your email message. To begin creating your email template, go to the main navigation bar and click on Build, and then select Templates. Click on Create New Template, and then underneath Email Templates, select Create with Template Builder. From here, you have the option to select one of our pre-built email templates underneath the Full Email Templates tab by selecting the layout you like. When you're ready to begin editing, click Start Editing. You can also design your own email layout by clicking the Build Email Templates tab. This page allows you to define the different email blocks that will make up your email template. Notice that as you make your selections on the left side of the page, you get a preview of what your email layout will look like on the right. To see what your email layout will look like on a desktop, or a tablet, or a mobile phone, click those options above. Keep in mind that you'll be able to add and delete email blocks from within the editor if you'd like. When you're ready to begin creating your email template, click Start Editing. Once you're in the editor, notice that you have access to 2 sidebars. On the right is the Help tab, and that gives you easy access to pertinent help articles from within the editor. Simply click on the article title to display it and view it. From here you can watch the video and read the article. When you're done, simply X out of it. On the left is the template sidebar, and that's where you'll save your template, assign a name for it, define styles for your template, add email blocks, insert variable data and logic, and link buttons. You can also send a quick test by entering an email address in this box and clicking Send. Keep in mind that this test will grab the template from your account and send it to the appropriate email address. It will not pull in variable data from a contact list or display any variable logic that you may insert. To edit an area of your template, simply click on it and notice that it becomes outlined in blue. Once you've done this, you can select a font size. You can define a line height. Simply highlight the text and select the line height in pixels. You can undo an edit you've made by clicking the back arrow. You can bold, italicize, and underline your text, and choose a text color from here as well. If you'd like to edit the source of your template, click the Source button, and the HTML of the template will be revealed. You can make changes within this box. Just remember to click the green OK button when you're done. You can also use the toolbar to insert links and images. More about those functions in a minute. When you're ready to define the styles of your email template, click the Styles option. Click next to Background Color to reveal the color picker. Choose a color from the right side of the color picker and a shade from the left side. You can adjust it until you get the color you'd like. To define the padding, click on the drop-down menu and select the number of pixels for the padding. Follow the same steps to define a foreground color if you'd like. And the padding for the foreground as well. You can easily insert new blocks into your template by clicking on the Email Blocks option. You can define a color for your new block by selecting it from the color picker. Next, select the number of columns for your new block. Your block will be inserted at the bottom of your template. If you click on the arrow button and hold down, you can move the new block into its desired position. You can also adjust the color from here if you'd like. To delete it, click on the trash icon. You have two options for inserting images into your email template. You can use the drag and drop option to drag an image from your desktop and insert it into one of the image boxes. When you do that, it will automatically be resized to the number of pixels indicated at the bottom of the box. You can also use the toolbar to insert images from your asset manager. Simply click on the image box and then click on the image icon in the toolbar. Click Browse Server to go to your asset manager. Double-click on the image you'd like to insert and then click the green OK button, and the image will be inserted into your template. You can add a link to a text fragment by highlighting that text fragment and then clicking on the link icon in the toolbar. Enter the URL you'd like to link to in the box and click the green OK button. You can also create a customized link button to insert into your template. Place the cursor where you'd like your button to be inserted and click on link buttons from the template sidebar. In the first box, enter the text for the button. In the second box, enter the URL you'd like to link to. In the third box, select a color for the background of your button. Then select a text size and a padding amount, and then click Insert button. You can personalize your email message by adding variable logic and variable data to your template. Inserting variable logic allows you to build email messages that display different content to different viewers based on their unique information, such as state, city, or company, that's contained in your contact list. Inserting variable data gives you the ability to add a personalized element to your email, which will make your message to your viewer more interesting. I'd like to add first name to the beginning of my template. To do that, I'm going to place the cursor where I'd like the name to be inserted, and then I'm going to click Variable Data Inserts and select first name. I can edit this just like any other text within my template. So now when I create my email campaign, the first name of my contacts from the contact list will be pulled in and displayed here. Using variable logic is easy as well, and it allows you to conditionally display content based on a customer's characteristic, such as gender or city or state. For example, you might want to display different content in your email for people who live in different states. I'd like to add some variable logic to display a different offer or coupon code for people who live in the state of Massachusetts. To do that, I'm going to place my cursor where I'd like my if statement to be created, and then I'm going to select variable logic from the template sidebar. The wizard will create an if statement based on the options you enter. So for everyone who lives in Massachusetts, I'd like a special promotion code to be displayed. So I'm going to select if state equals Massachusetts, then display use promotion code and click insert. Notice that an if statement is inserted into the middle of your template. Once you've created your campaign, only the content between the brackets will display, and only for those people whose state is equal to Massachusetts on the contact list. When you're done making edits to your template, remember to click Save and Close. We've just seen how easy it is to create an email template in Boingnet. For more information, check out additional help articles in our knowledge base. If you have any questions about the email template editor, give us a call or email us at support@boingnet.com. If you haven't already signed up for your 60-day free trial, register today at boingnet.com/free trial.